Okay, so the universe is basically ghosting us. And honestly, it's getting awkward. We've been sending messages into space for decades. We've been listening with massive telescopes. We've been basically screaming, "Hello? Anyone out there?" into the void like a desperate X at 2 a.m. And the response we've gotten? Crickets. Absolute silence. Now here's the thing that makes this really weird. There are 400 billion stars in our galaxy alone. Billion with a B. And scientists estimate there could be 40 billion Earth-like planets just in the Milky Way. That's 40 billion potential homes for life. So where the hell is everyone? This is actually a legit scientific mystery called the Fermi Paradox. Back in 1950, a physicist named Enrico Fermi was having lunch with his buddies, and he just casually dropped the question, "Where is everybody?" And his colleagues immediately knew what he meant, because the math doesn't add up. With billions of planets and billions of years for life to evolve, our galaxy should be absolutely packed with alien civilizations. Some of them should be way more advanced than us. We should see giant space structures. We should be getting alien spam calls. We should see something. But nope, radio silence. Let me put this in perspective. Our sun is about 4.6 billion years old. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. There are stars out there that formed billions of years before ours. If intelligent life developed around one of those stars just a billion years before us, they'd have a billion-year head start on technology. A billion years. We went from the invention of the wheel to landing on the moon in like 5,000 years. Imagine what you could build with 1,000,000 times longer than that. You could colonize entire galaxies, build structures the size of solar systems, do things we can't even imagine. So either we're looking in the wrong place or something very weird is going on. Let's talk about the theories. And I'm warning you, none of them are comforting. Maybe we just got really, really lucky. Like winning the lottery while getting struck by lightning lucky. Maybe intelligent life is so rare that we're actually the first ones to show up to the party. Think about what Earth needed to get life going. Liquid water, a stable sun, a magnetic field to protect us from deadly radiation, a giant moon to keep our planet from wobbling like a drunk person, Jupiter acting as a cosmic bodyguard, catching asteroids before they smash into us, and probably 100 other things we haven't even figured out yet. Maybe that perfect combination is insanely rare. And even if you get simple life started, intelligence might be even rarer. Earth had bacteria for 3 billion years before anything more complex showed up. Then it took another 500 million years to get to us. Maybe the universe is full of planets with slime and nothing else. If this is true, it's kind of beautiful. We're not just special, we're the universe waking up and looking at itself for the first time. But it also means we better not screw this up, because we might be all there is. Okay, this is where things get existentially terrifying. The Great Filter Theory says there's some incredibly difficult challenge that almost no civilization survives, like a final exam that 99.99% of students fail. Except, if you fail, your entire species goes extinct. The scary question is, have we already passed this filter, or is it still ahead of us? If it's behind us, great. Maybe going from simple cells to complex life is insanely hard, and we're the lucky ones who made it. We're the cosmic lottery winners. But if the filter is ahead of us, that's nightmare fuel. It means there's something that destroys almost every civilization once they reach a certain level of technology. Nuclear war, climate collapse, artificial intelligence going rogue. Maybe every species gets smart enough to invent world-ending technology and then immediately uses it to blow themselves up. That would explain the silence perfectly. All those alien civilizations were out there, past tense. They all killed themselves before they could say hello. Sweet dreams! What if aliens exist, but they're deliberately staying quiet? This is called the dark forest theory, and it's basically cosmic paranoia. The idea is that the universe is like a dark forest full of hunters. Everyone's hiding, because if you reveal your location, you get eliminated. The smart move is to shut up, stay hidden, and listen. And then there's us, humans. We've been broadcasting radio signals in every direction for a century. We sent the Voyager probe into space with a literal map showing how to find Earth. We're basically running through the dark forest with a spotlight and a megaphone, yelling, "We're here and we have pizza!" If this theory is true, advanced aliens are probably watching us and thinking, oh no, no. Someone should tell them. Wait, no, don't tell them. They'll give away our position, too. Here's a fun one. Maybe aliens know we're here, but they're just watching, not interfering, like we're in a cosmic nature preserve. Think about it. Do you negotiate treaties with ants? Do you explain quantum physics to squirrels? If there's a civilization out there millions of years ahead of us, we might be about as interesting to them as a particularly clever hamster. Maybe there's a galactic rule. Don't contact primitive civilizations until they're ready. We could be living under alien observation right now, and they're all up there taking notes like, oh look, they're fighting over imaginary lines again. Adorable. Or maybe Earth is just the universe's most entertaining reality show. Keeping Up with the Humans, season 2026 is probably getting great ratings. Maybe we just haven't figured out how to listen yet. We've been searching for radio signals because that's what we use. But what if advanced civilizations moved past radio a million years ago? We could be surrounded by alien conversations and be completely deaf to them. It's like trying to receive emails on a telegraph machine. Plus, we've only been seriously searching for like 60 years. We've checked a few thousand stars out of hundreds of billions. That's like dipping your toe in the ocean and declaring there are no fish. Maybe life is everywhere, but it's so different from us that we wouldn't even know it if we saw it. We're looking for life like us, carbon-based, needs water, lives at comfortable temperatures. But what if there are creatures living in the clouds of gas giants? Or beings made of something we've never seen, existing at temperatures that would vaporize us? Or incredibly slow-thinking creatures on frozen worlds where a single thought takes centuries? We might have already detected alien life and just filed it under weird space stuff because it doesn't match our definition of life. So what's the answer? Honestly, we don't know. And that's what makes this so fascinating and terrifying. Are we alone? Are we first? Are we being watched? Are we about to destroy ourselves? We're searching harder than ever with rovers on Mars, missions to Jupiter's moons, and telescopes analyzing distant planets. Maybe we'll find bacteria under the ice and prove life isn't unique to Earth. Maybe we'll detect a signal tomorrow. Maybe we'll search for another 1,000 years and find nothing. But here's what gets me. We're the species that looks up and asks these questions. We're the universe trying to understand itself. Whether we're alone or not, that's pretty incredible. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go have an existential crisis. But before you go, maybe the reason we can't find them isn't because they are hiding. Maybe it's because biological life is physically trapped on its home planet. Click here to see why teleportation is actually impossible, and why trying it might be a suicide mission. I'll see you there.